Welcome back, everybody, to Hot Rod Guy Garage, and today we took a road trip to Murphy, North Carolina, the Eastern Hot Rodders extra CARicular car show to benefit their new Votech school over in Murphy, North Carolina. Drove the 70. It's about an hour and a 20 to 30 minute ride from my house to the new Votech school. So enjoy some pictures I took along the way, and I'll be back here in a minute. Well, alright, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. Seems to be that people enjoy the still photos a lot better than, my shaky camera, like this. Well, a few of you know that I am actually kind of a shaky person, so when you see the shakiness in my videos, it's because I'm holding the camera. And no amount of stabilization is going to necessarily stabilize that. So, had a good time today. Good, nice, cool day for a road trip. Burned about 3/4 of a tank of fuel, uh, but had a good time. Seen my buddy Bill from Flatbroke Garage, Eastern Hot Rodder. Met some very cool people at the show. Seen some very, very nice, cool cars. Now, I didn't take photos of everything at the show. I just took some photos of stuff that caught my attention. So, that said, guys, if you've seen something you like, make sure you comment on it down below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.